Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming drivers and firmware are installed. Do this now so the interface behaves reliably. Plug your guitar into the dedicated instrument input or die. Use a good shielded 1/4 cable and avoid long, cheap leads. Connect the interface to your computer via USB/Thunderbolt and power it if required. Open your DAW and select the interface as input/output. Then set sample rate to 44, 148 kHz and buffer to 128 256 samples to balance latency versus CPU load. Once connected, you need correct gain staging. Play hard and raise the input gain until peaks sit around -12 to -6 dBFS, then back off slightly to prevent clipping. Make sure the input type matches your source, instrument versus line versus mic, and enable a pad if the signal is too hot. Engage direct monitoring or your interface's low-latency monitoring to hear yourself with minimal lag. Then route the DAW playback to your headphones or monitors and set headphones/master levels safely. You're ready to record. Arm a track in your DAW, select the correct input channel, and do a quick test take to confirm levels and timing. Record at 24-bit for headroom, and consider capturing a die plus amp or impulse responses so you can reamp later. Once done, consolidate takes and save a backup. If you encounter distortion, reduce the input gain, verify you selected the proper input type, and make sure drivers and buffer settings aren't causing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.